If your videos are not getting enough visibility, or YouTube have stopped promoting or recommending your YouTube videos, leading to low engagement on your YouTube channel, then that simply means that there is something in your YouTube studio that you are not utilizing that is causing all this problem for you. And on this video, I'm going to be showing you that thing that you need to turn on, or rather utilize on your YouTube studio, to help your channel grow faster and better. I myself have been in this situation before when I really started my channel, because when I started my channel, my views were always getting stuck as 20. I clearly remember that moment. Whenever I put a video out, always 15 views, 20 views, 25 views. It was always getting stuck. It was never getting to like 100 views or 200 views or 500 views or 1000 views. I was never getting that in the beginning until I went to my YouTube studio to go and fix this thing. Then my views started getting better. So that is why I made this video, so that I can, help out some new creators that are just starting up and having this problem, so that they can go to their YouTube studio and go and fix this issue also on their channel. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, the first changes that you have to make, you can only make it in your YouTube studio dashboard. So simply go to your YouTube studio dashboard with your PC browser or with your mobile browser via desktop view mode. And then once you've gotten here, go to your settings. Once you've gotten to your settings, go to upload default. So once you've gotten to upload default has to do with, things that you want to always show whenever you're uploading your video, like they will just automatically be there. So what you have to do, you can see on my own right here, that in my description, that I already have tags here. To make sure that there is tags always in your description, I will explain what this tag is all about soon. So you can either name it tags or you can name it keywords. I'm going to show you guys what this is used for very soon. But I want to show you guys another important thing to put in your upload default. So also in your description, make sure that there are always keywords here in the upload default that describe what your channel as a whole is always all about, so that whenever you are uploading, these things will always be in that video at the bottom, and it's going to be helping your videos to get a lot of views. As you can see on mine, you can see optimize your video for search, engage your audience, drive traffic to your channel, increase your videos visibility. You can see all this. So whenever I'm about to upload any video, these things are always going to be at the bottom, which will help YouTube to understand my video better, because this description, a lot of people, they normally overlook it, but description is the metadata that YouTube, or rather YouTube algorithm, always look at to understand your video. So make sure you are using your description very well. So let's move on, so I can show you guys what these tags, or rather these keywords that I told you guys to put here, is used for when uploading. So I'm going to show you one of my videos that I've already uploaded. I'll show you guys how I'm utilizing these tags, or rather how I'm utilizing this keyword section that I'm telling you guys to use. So let me just show you guys this video. Let me show you the description real quick, so you can see what I normally use it for. So as you can see in this description, in the tag section that is always there in all my description, I placed a lot of searchable words that I know that people will be looking for when they are looking for this video, so that YouTube can easily match what people are searching for to my videos. So once you have placed that in the upload default, when you are about to upload, these tags is just going to be there in your description automatically, because you have already placed it to show by default. So what you have to do, just find some searchable words that you know that people will be looking for when they are looking for that specific video you're about to upload. And then once you find those words, place them all here in this tag section, so that YouTube will be able to use it to match your videos with what people are searching for. Then once you've done that, then the next thing you need to do, let me leave this place and show you guys the next thing that you need to do real quick. So the next thing you need to do, still in your YouTube dashboard, just scroll down, you see customization. Then from there, go to your home tab. On your home tab, if you do not already have your For You session there, then click on this add session and add your For You session. Then once you've added that, because For You session has to do with YouTube recommending the best videos that your viewers would like to watch when they come to your channel. So it's very important you activate it in your home tab. So once you've placed it in your home tab, click on more settings. Once you click on more settings, you are going to be presented with all this stuff like content type and recency. So this recency, you have to put it in recent content only, because normally it's going to be in all content. And why you have to put it in recent content, because you want YouTube to be showing your viewers videos that you made in the last 365 days, so that it's going to be increasing your watch hours. Because if they are showing them all your videos like all content, like if you place it in all content, this all content right now, if you place it there, YouTube will be showing your viewers all the videos you made like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, And you know that if YouTube is doing this and people are watching your old videos, it will not be adding to your watch hours. The only things that can add to your watch hours are video that you made in the last 365 days. So always make sure that you put that in recent content only, so that you know when people are watching your video, it's going to be adding to your watch hour, especially if you are trying to get monetized. So this is very, very important. And then once you've done this, then I will advise that you add your channel trailer and your spotlight for returning subscriber. Channel trailer has to do with, you know, videos that people see for the first time when they are coming to your channel. It's going to be at the top of your channel on your own page. Then this one, spotlight, is the one that people will be seeing the second time they come to your channel. So in order to add that, just click on add session, and then you can see it here, channel trailer, spotlight for returning subscribers. So make sure that you are putting your best performing videos here, because first impression matter. You don't want a situation where someone will come to your channel and the first video they are seeing at the top of your channel is having 20 views. That's just going to ruin any chances of them subscribing or watching more videos on your channel. So make sure that you are putting your best performing videos here in the spotlight and here in the trailer videos. It's very, very important. If you are a YouTube creator that is getting a lot of views on your YouTube shorts, or rather you post YouTube shorts often, then you need to watch this video right now to learn on how to link your YouTube shorts to your long form videos, so that your long form videos can generate much more revenue and make much more money for you, since the views that are coming from your shorts will be going to your long form video. So I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, at the end of this video, you might see some of my similar videos, or you might see some of my playlists, so you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because you know we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.